Okay, with MPEG StreamClip open, go to Batch List, up in the List menu, select Batch List. Then we're going to go over and select a few files, put them into the batch list. It'll pop up, it'll say QuickTime Export, but we want MPEG 4. Okay. And then select the folder to put them in. I've already created a folder called Renders, but you might need to create a new folder. Select it. And then we get to our settings. We want to limit the data rate to 256. We want to change our audio to 44.1 at 128 kilobits. We want to change our frame rate to 12 frames per second. And then also we want to make our field size, video size 320 by 240. And we want to de-interlace the video. And we're going to save this as a preset. Hit New, Yes. Enter the name for the preset. I'm going to call this H.264 320 by 240. This is for 4:3 video. And then I just name it for footage for transcription. And this will create a preset that we can use in the future. We'll load that, we'll see it's the same. While we're here, we're going to create a new preset also for the more common frame rate now, or video size, which is 320 by 180, which is for 16 by 9 footage. So go ahead and enter in the name here for that, 320 by 180 for 16 by 9 footage. And we'll use this when we have 16 by 9 footage, and we'll use the other one when we have 4:3. So we'll go ahead and load the 4:3 one, and now we're ready to go. We'll add it to the batch, and we'll see that the files are awaiting, waiting to convert. We have one simultaneous task set up now. We hit go, and we see that it starts processing the one file. Okay, so if you're on a multi-core computer, you can change this to usually the number of cores you have. I have 4 cores, but I'm just going to change it to 2, and now I'm processing 2 files simultaneously. I've found that, generally speaking, you can do 2 to 3. You usually can't do the full number of cores. It doesn't really give you any advantage. Here's the activity monitor showing that MPEG StreamClip is using most of my computing power, in addition to the screencast software, which I'm running currently. So I could probably run 3. Right now I only have 2 running. This is something you can use when you have a big batch of files. It allows you to stream a whole bunch all at the same time and convert them simultaneously. The other option is we can also add other files into this list simultaneously. I'm not showing it here, but that'll give you an option to add them to the existing render thing, so you can just keep adding more and more files while you're rendering.